What's up, guys? Alright, so in today's video, we're going to talk about the sun. Let's go. So in order to talk about the significance of the sun, you have to understand how much energy that it's producing. The sun is basically just a gigantic fuel tank that's just burning constantly. Now, the sun is said to produce 3.86 times 10 to the 26 watts of energy. Now, because of this proton colliding within the core of the sun is happening constantly throughout the sun, it's losing about 6 times 10 to the 12th grams every second. Now that 6 with 12 zeros behind it is being shedded off as energy from the sun per second. The problem that arises now is, how is the sun still going? How is it still burning with all that mass being shedded off as energy? And so I did some math. It is known that the sun has been around for 4.6 billion years. Now, it loses 6 times 10 to the 12th grams per second. So let's convert the 4.6 billion years into seconds. And we'll multiply that by 6 times 10 to the 12th and see how much, and see the total amount of mass that the sun has lost throughout its lifetime. Simple algebra, I came up with the number 1.5 times 10 to the 17th. Now this is the seconds. This is how much the sun has been living for in seconds. Now in order to figure out how much weight that the sun loses per second, we gotta multiply this number with the amount of grams, with the amount of weight that the sun loses per second. Now with some simple algebra, I came up with the number 1.5 times 10 to the 17th, which is 4.6 billion years converted into seconds. And now, in order to get the total weight that the sun loses per second, you just gotta multiply 1.5 times 10 to the 17th to the amount of weight that the sun loses per second, which is 6 times 10 to the 12th. Now, in order to do something algebra like this, all you gotta do is multiply 1.5 with 6, which is 9, so it'll be 9 times 10, and you just add the exponents, which will be 29. 9 times 10 to the 29th is the number that the sun has lost in its total lifetime. Now, this may seem a humongous number, which it is. It's 9 followed by 29 zeros. But you gotta remember that the sun's total weight is 2 times 10 to the 33. Now you gotta understand that the total weight of the sun is 2 times 10 to the 33, which is a lot more zeros than just 29. So, in order for us to know, to visually perceive how much this number means to the total weight of the sun, we can do a percentile total weight of the total mass of the sun, which is 2 times 10 to the 33 kilograms, to the mass that it has lost, which is 9 times 10 to the 29th. Now you have to remember that these two needs to be in the same unit, and 9 times 10 to the 29th is in grams. 9 times 10 to the 26. And then you just got times that by 10, and you'll get the percentile of how much the sun has lost its weight since its birth. And after punching in the numbers, I got 4.5 times 10 to the negative 5%. That's how much the sun has lost its mass during its lifetime. It's not even 1%. Holy crap. Alright, so that's all for today, and I enjoyed that as much as I did. It was incredible for me to. It was quite the delight to learn something about the sun, which you will never think about twice throughout your day. You wouldn't think about these kind of things, and that's just what I love about science, is that every day you can learn about something new in the most simplest form, like algebra, and if you just type some stuff up on Google, you can figure out all these numbers, and you can theorize like this, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next video.